When customizing your digital environment, themes are everything. They set the mood, the vibe, and make navigating through your software a unique experience. Today, we're diving into a question many users have been asking. Can you transfer Dawn theme settings to Horizon? Dawn, with its elegant color palette, intuitive design, and clean layout, is a popular choice for many. But what happens when you switch to Horizon? Is it possible to carry over those familiar settings and preferences? The short answer, it depends. Both Dawn and Horizon are highly customizable, but they come with different architectural foundations. So, while you can manually adjust color settings, layout preferences, and font choices in Horizon, there's no native feature to automatically port over your Dawn settings. However, that doesn't mean all is lost. You can replicate the Dawn theme's look in Horizon through a few simple tweaks. Just start with the color scheme. If you have the hex codes for Dawn's colors, you can input them directly into Horizon's theme settings. Next, just adjust your layout preferences and font choices to mimic that sleek minimalist style. It might take a little time, but the result can be a Horizon setup that feels just like Dawn without losing any of Horizon's unique features. In the end, it's all about finding the perfect balance. With a little manual effort, you can absolutely recreate the Dawn vibe in Horizon. No transfers, just a bit of creativity. So, can you transfer Dawn settings to Horizon? Not automatically, but with a little tweaking, you can definitely bring that familiar feel to your Horizon workspace. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!